Okay, this is how to use Directory Manipulator to make changes to your disk directory for the Commodore 64. So when you start the program, then insert the disk with the directory you want to change and hit any key. This is from the December 1985 Ahoy disks. So it comes up and shows your directory. It asks you if your directory is okay. Choose N if you want to make changes. First thing you can do is hit F1 to relist the directory. Then we'll click No again and hit F2 to alphabetize the directory. Okay, No again. And if we want to insert a blank space, we can hit F3. And then select the entry number that we want to put the blank space. Okay, this time we'll hit No, and we'll choose F4 to delete blank entries. Okay, No again, and we'll hit F5, and we'll insert a dashed line. And we can also hit F6 if we wanted to insert a remark that we can customize. So let's do No again. And F7, we can swap directory entries. And for this, I will swap 1 and 11. And you can see that Directory Manipulator is now the #1 spot. Okay, last, F8 will delete directory entries. So I'm going to delete number 29. Okay, that's all we're going to do. So we'll say yes, directory okay. It'll write the directory, ask us if we want to do another disk, and we can just say no. And then it will validate the disk. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.